Hashtag Nepal. Two faces of Shangri-La. Aerial shot. Himalayan peaks at sunrise. Narrator. Nepal, where heaven touches earth. 8 of the world's tallest mountains stand guard over ancient traditions and breathtaking landscapes. Footage of temples, prayer flags, terraced fields. Narrator. In Kathmandu's medieval squares, thousand-year-old temples showcase artistic mastery where Hindu and Buddhist faiths intertwine. Pokhara's lakes mirror the Annapurna Range while Chitwan's jungles shelter endangered rhinos and tigers. Narrator. But Nepal's true treasure is its people, 120 ethnic groups speaking 123 languages, each with unique customs yet sharing legendary hospitality. Music shifts, footage changes to earthquake damage. Narrator. Yet beneath this postcard paradise lies another reality. Images of pollution, poverty, crowded streets. Narrator. A nation still recovering from the 2015 earthquake that killed thousands. Kathmandu, once the city of temples, now ranks among the world's most polluted capitals. Unreliable electricity and water shortages define daily life. Footage of migrant workers, dangerous conditions. Narrator. Nearly 1,600 Nepalis leave daily seeking work abroad. Many face exploitation or death. Remote villages lack healthcare and education, with some communities days from the nearest road. Images of landslides, flooding, children working. Narrator. Climate change triggers devastating landslides while glaciers retreat. Human trafficking claims thousands annually across the Indian border. Child labor persists in brick kilns and stone quarries. Final shot. Mountain half in light, half in shadow. Narrator. This is Nepal's paradox, a land of spiritual heights and grinding poverty, of unparalleled beauty and harsh realities, where paradise and hardship exist within the same magnificent borders.